Hello guys, good morning. So I was thinking I'm gonna do 3 acrylic pouring series this year. They will all be very different, and I was rewatching my videos to get my inspiration going and thought, why not show you them and let me tell you my thoughts about it. So my first series is gonna be the injection series. I did like 3 of these kind of paintings and I totally forgot about it, but they turned out so beautiful and I can play much more with this, so I won't have to inject only with white, but I can inject with different kind of colors. So that's gonna be very interesting and a lot of fun to play around more with this technique. So this is the injection pour number 2 that I did, and I'm doing it over a painting that I dislike. But I'm gonna use the color that's already on the base there to let it flow. So I'm just using a squeeze bottle and really try to push it from the canvas under the colors. So as you notice, I'm not blowing the white over the colors anymore. The injection is more than enough. Yeah, I'm looking very forward to this series, because I'm gonna do different sizes of paintings, different colors. You can do a lot with it. Okay, so let me take you to my next series, and that series is gonna be a color split series, and this is a Triptych, and this is really one I so love. And I'm using the blue colors here because I wanted to be safe. I know the blue colors go very well with the white and the black. But yeah, with the color split series, I'm gonna do fun stuff. So in this painting, I'm using the color split horizontal and pretty. But I'm gonna do color split in designs. So in diagonal forms, in more square forms on the canvas, different color combinations. Yeah. It's just gonna be fun. You know, the last one, that was the best one, when I blowed as well the white in the black a bit more. So that composition is so much in harmony there for me. Yeah, this was a safe choice, but for my series, I'm not gonna do the safe choice. That's beautiful. Alright, and the last series would be interior color series. So I'm a fan of vibrant colors, a lot. But I notice lately I'm looking at rooms, I'm at friends or at family, and I'm really trying to see where my paintings would hang there and in what color combinations. So I feel like I need to tone down a bit more my colors and go more for the earth and neutral colors, really. This painting is all with metallics and black and white. And after this is gonna be my absolute favorite. But this one turned out amazing. And I know I used in this painting for the first time flow-throw in my base. Oh no. Okay, I'm mistaking. It wasn't. It was the silver that I used here. It's from Liquitex and that's selling up a lot. After this I did another one and I used the Floetrol in the white because I didn't have enough white anymore. And that was selling up like crazy as well. Yeah, this is something I can see hanging in a beautiful living room with some neutral colors. And yeah, this is the Triptych and this is really my favorite and it sold immediately after I put this video online. And the fun thing here is, so I'm using two soft colors and that's the baby blue here and the soft pink against the Payne's Grey. And Payne's Grey has a beautiful dark blue shade and that makes the contrast, and the Payne's Grey is a lot more pigmented or dominant, so the soft colors are just the subtle touch to this painting. But I think in my series I'm gonna work a lot more with a sort of olive green, mint green, and as well like a gray and silver, more yeah, the cool tones. And here you see that I blew out the paint and I wasn't really happy with it, but I stopped with the blow dryer then and tried to control the paint a bit more with my mouth because I got more control then and can direct the paint a lot more. But here you see, so once I'm using the torch, the darker color is popping up way more. And that gives the contrast in that really. Yeah. What am I saying there? I don't know. But I know I changed this, the middle one, the one I'm torching right now, I changed it later. So you will see that in the final product. See the Payne's Grey, that's gorgeous. Alright guys, so I would love to hear your opinion about my series. I'm so much looking forward to it and I just wanted to give you a little preview and that I was rewatching my old videos to get some inspiration for new series. And that I can play around more with the techniques or colors that I'm using. So thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time.